Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to insert interactive checkboxes Microsoft Word. To insert checkboxes, first we need to add the developer mode. For that, select the File tab, then go to Options. Select Customize ribbon, check the developer box, select OK. Now click the Developer tab, then select the desired location. In the Controls section, click the checkbox icon. If you want a tick mark, then follow my steps. That's it. Very simple and very easy.
Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.